Hi, I'm Steve McCaskill, Deputy Editor at Tech Week Europe. I'm here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and I'm joined by Rob Hammond from Cineverse. Hi, Rob.
Hi, Steve. Pleasure to meet you.
So, do you want to explain a little bit what Cineverse is and what you're doing here at the Mobile World Congress?
Absolutely. Cineverse is all about helping brands connect with consumers, mobile engagement, as it were. So it's all about me being the consumer, having an opportunity to connect with users in very powerful ways and taking advantage of all the different assets that mobile gives us, because mobile changes everything and presents unbelievable opportunities for us to deliver these very rich, deep experiences and getting to know your customer.
And what's it like being on the floor with so many other companies? Are you speaking to lots of people, meetings and whatnot?
It's a really busy week, but it's a fabulous week. You get to see the great breadth of everything that's going on, from wearables to the Internet of Things, but yet at the same time talk about how do we make those things actionable? How do we help brands connect with users and really come up with the opportunity to use mobile to engage with our customers? It's just a fabulous week.
And what kind of markets and in terms of both sectors and geographic areas do you target?
We really span the globe. Cineverse has been in business for 25 plus years. We work with over 1,000 carriers and as well over 550 enterprises. So we're really a global company, but we see a lot of opportunities around travel and hospitality, around retail, financial services, and entertainments and sports, largely based upon 4 key categories of how we interact with users: promotional, transactional messages, loyalty, and then with customer service.
And what trends are you seeing in your industry?
It's all about the consumer and about how do you engage with that consumer across multiple different channels. So cross-channel is a big theme, as well as how do we work with customers and how do we engage with them, across SMS, which is that stalwart of all communications, and ubiquitous capabilities for being able to reach really the 7 billion people that are in the world. And then as well, looking at the web, email, 60-70% of all emails read on a phone, right, or in a mobile device. And then as you look further to the web, mobile web certainly big, light applications like Google Wallet or Passbook, and then finally native applications as well.
And once you left Barcelona, what plans do you have for the next 12 months or so?
We're going to continue to support brands. We're all about mobile. We make mobile work. And as part of that, what our opportunities are is to help brands be able to take advantage of those assets that mobile brings and be able to deliver on those premises. And it's just an exciting time to be in the industry.
Rob, thank you very much for joining me.
My pleasure. Thanks, Steve.